You want to know how to write subject lines that actually get opened. And fast. I get it. Whether you're sending a cold email, running a campaign, or building a newsletter, your subject line is the first, and sometimes only, thing people see. If it doesn't hook them, everything else you wrote is wasted. But by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have the tools and tricks to write subject lines that boost your open rates immediately. So here's the deal. I've tested all the major tools out there. Some are overhyped, others are surprisingly helpful. And in this tutorial, I'll show you the one I keep coming back to. It's the software we'll be using. And there's an exclusive free trial link in the description just for viewers of this channel. Let's dive right in. First, keep your subject lines short. 6 to 9 words or under 60 characters is the sweet spot. Why? Because anything longer gets cut off on mobile, and that's where most people check emails. Second, make it personal or specific. Instead of your weekly report, say, Sarah, here's your weekly report. Use their name if you have it. If you don't, use second person language like you or your. It makes the email feel like it was written just for them. Third, tease, don't tell. Curiosity drives clicks. You missed this, or a quick fix for your site, makes people wonder what's inside. But be careful, don't go full clickbait. You'll lose trust fast. Next, urgency and relevance work. Subject lines like 24 hours left or spots are filling fast push people to act. If there's no urgency, create one. Launches, deadlines, limited offers, build them in. Another tip, use numbers and specifics. 7 ways to boost sales or get 3x more replies always outperform vague lines like improve your strategy. People love clear, concrete benefits. Also, test emojis. In some niches, they boost opens, in others, they look unprofessional. Our software helps you A/B test subject lines, so you'll know exactly what works for your audience. Again, the free trial's in the description if you want to follow along and try it out. And don't forget the preview text. It's the little snippet under your subject line. Most people ignore it, but it can double your chances of getting open. Make sure it complements your subject, not repeats it. Now here's a little bonus. Ask a question. Subject lines like struggling to convert leads or tired of low open rates tap into pain points and make the reader mentally answer, which increases opens. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Subject lines that get open are short, specific, and create curiosity or urgency. If you can do just those 3 things, your open rates will spike, no matter what software or platform you're using. Quick recap. Keep it short. Make it personal. Tease, don't tell. Add urgency or relevance. Use numbers and specifics. Test emojis and preview text. Ask a question to spark interest. And remember, if you want to follow along with the same software I use to test and write these subject lines, there's an exclusive free trial in the description below just for Danthorn viewers. Try it out and start writing subject lines that actually get opened.